Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extension. In this video, I will show you how to install and use Grammarly Chrome extension on Google Chrome. So let's get started. Firstly, open Google Chrome, then visit Chrome Web Store. Now in the search bar, you will search for Grammarly. Here you will see the first one. And click on Add to Chrome. Then Add Extension. Wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. After installation, it will almost be completed. Here you will see after installation, click the Grammarly icon in Chrome toolbar. Mark it as pin. Now sign in with your Gmail ID. Or create a new account if you don't have one. Enable Grammarly on websites. Like it will show you, scroll on. Now open any website where you can type text. Here you will check for writing suggestions. Turn it on. Use Superhuman Go if you want to Superhuman Go. Now open any website, like I will opening Google Docs. Now here I am typing you like I am fine, you tell I will written wrongly. So now click on the Grammarly icon. It will suggest you, like here you will see that fine punctuation problem, and I am writing like this. Also you can like hello, it will automatically correct the words for you. How are you? Here you will see in hello there was a punctuation problem, and in you there was a o missing, and that's it. That's how to use the Grammarly Chrome extension. It's a simple tool that help improve your writing across website and save times by correcting mistakes. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.